We are currently facing COVID-19. And the question is, how then should we respond? We will implement the technology of virtual reality into our seminars. This is AR, augmented reality, which is a form of VR, virtual reality, and it is in some way a mixed reality, MR. Many technologies are currently being fused. The combination of VR, AR, and MR is called extended reality, that is, XR. Atomy will conduct its business by utilizing this extended reality concept. The XR will become Atomy's main tool. Let's see a video as kind of a teaser. So let's say that you want to buy a household product for a house. Then you could use your smartphones to see how that product is going to fit in with your house. You can see kind of a preview. So let's go ahead and watch the video, and then I will further explain. Yeah. So, as you can see, when you purchase a certain product for your kitchen, you will be able to use your smartphone camera for a quick preview of it. And if you put your smartphone over your actual kitchen, you will be able to discern where you should place that product. And you just saw the shoes changing, right? Now, you won't even have to go to the shoe store anymore. You don't have to look at yourself in the mirror anymore. With virtual reality, you'll be able to actually try on the shoes and select a pair for yourself. Currently, in Atomy Shiloh Art, they are preparing a device called Atomy Fit. It will be called A-Fit. You'll be able to measure your body using your smartphone. And if you take a picture of your front, side, and back, then the measurements of your body will be transmitted directly to the company. With that data, the VR will be able to reproduce an image of your body. You saw the avatar in the video, right? An image of your face will be pasted on the body of the avatar, which will be like a mannequin. Then you'll be able to clothe the mannequin with the kinds of clothing you like. And you can try on a small size. Then you could switch it up with a medium or a large, and you'll be able to try on different sizes to see which one fits best for you. You will also be able to select the color of your preference. The emergence of virtual reality can actually be a very big opportunity for Atomy. And Atomy has predicted this future trend, and by implementing the necessary systems, Atomy will become a forerunner in this industry. All of you who have joined Atomy's business will become businessmen and women who will lead the new age with this cutting-edge technology. Now, let's say that you are now just starting your business, and imagine that I will be present with you throughout your entire journey in Atomy. What if you started this business Yeah. But I'm present with you until you become successful and become an imperial master. What if I make a promise with you that I will be with you throughout the whole process? You would succeed, right? Actually, a three-dimensional figure of me is currently being developed as a virtual reality model. You will be able to place me on top of your desk. Yeah. Or even inside your own living room. And you'll be able to have your arms around my shoulder for a picture. And you can say, hey, I've met President Park before. What would happen if you asked me a question? How could I answer all of your questions? Those questions will be answered using AI technology. Actually, even right now, in your own smartphones, there are frequently asked questions which we have anticipated that new members will ask. And answers for those questions are in there as well. Now, how about that? There are probably about 100 of the most frequently asked questions. And if we can have 1,000 answers ready, then most questions will be already answered. For example, what is hemohim? Then my 3D figure will answer your questions. So let me illustrate what this is going to be like. Have you seen a robot assistant at the airport? And if you ask a question, the robot will answer your questions, right? If you put out your hand, then the robot will shake your hand, right? It's the same kind of technology. The 3D figure of me will exist in virtual reality. And I will be able to shake your hand. You can take a picture with your arm around my shoulder as well. They're currently working on the 3D figure. So right now, it doesn't look like me 100%, but it's going to look a lot more like me. And imagine that it will look exactly like me in the future. So let's all watch another video. Video, please.
(4차) 산업사회 가상현실, 버추얼 리얼리티를 지나서 익스텐디드 리얼리티, 즉 XR 시대가 열립니다.
Hello, I'm President Gill Park. I am here to be more up close and in person with all of you.
시간과 공간을 초월하는 애터미의 4차원 비즈니스 세계로 여러분을 초대합니다.
The company is preparing for our members to be able to more effectively deliver our products. Do you see the lively mackerel that is jumping right here in my hands? I will now transfer this fish into your hands.
패션 아이템은 여러분의 아바타에 옷을 입혀서 디자인과 컬러를 자유롭게 바꾸어서 주문할 수 있습니다. 애터미 XR 어플을 사용해 촬영하면 신체 지수는 자동으로 측정됩니다. 고객의 취향과 신체 DB를 누가 먼저 확보하느냐에 따라 패션 시장 패권이 달라질 것입니다. 바닷가에서도 해외 세미나 현장에 동참할 수 있는 세상을 애터미가 먼저 열어갑니다. 코로나19는 우리 일상의 역경이지만 애터미는 이 역경을 새로운 시대로 더 빨리 나아가는 순풍으로 바꾸어 나갈 것입니다. 역경은 걸림돌이 아니고 디딤돌이 될 것입니다. 용기는 두려움을 느끼지 못하는 것이 아니고 두려움과 맞서는 것입니다. 용기를 가집시다.
If you dream vividly, your dream will come true, and Atomy will cheer for your fourth dimensional business. This kind of world lies ahead of us. In the future, you won't have to do the explaining at all. I will be with you to explain about the business for you. However, if you decide to join when such a world comes, it might just be a little too late. And when that time comes, this business will grow very rapidly. If you steadily do this business from now, you will be well ahead when such a world inevitably arrives. I'm sure that you understand at least a little bit about XR now. I've told you before that Atomy will help you open up a personal platform. In the near future, Atomy's website, which is the online shopping mall, will be transformed into your personal shopping mall. So, in the first page of this shopping mall, your picture will be the first thing that will be seen. Let's say that you create this personal shopping mall, and you tell all of your friends about it through different kinds of social media. All you have to do is log in with your ID and password, and you'll be able to share this personal shopping mall. Your friends will probably check it out with low expectations, but then they will see a picture of you on the landing page. Your personal videos will be uploaded as well, and there will be stories of your family vacation trips, and you will be able to write on that personal online space. You will be able to communicate with videos. Friend, you have come. Check out all these products in my shopping mall. Which ones do you like? You will be able to communicate with videos and through writing as well. And if you want to focus on just a few products of Atomy's, then you can select those products and upload them to your page. You can personally decorate your own personal page. Now, how does that sound? Then it will truly become a personal shopping mall, right? This is possible. The company will help you build this personal shopping mall, where you will be able to post your personal activities and send out messages to your friends. A new age will come where personal platforms will be connected with other personal platforms. I am telling you that Atomy will be the company that paves the road for a post-platform world, which will be the next big thing after the platform age. And Atomy will be a forerunner in this field with its cutting-edge business. When more and more people are trying to join such a business, I'm telling you, they will flock to Atomy. We will create a world where all distribution will have to go through Atomy. That is the only way that we can go. Currently, in the platform business model, when all the people flock to that platform, all the wealth goes to the platform owners. The terminals that contribute to the growth of these platforms, they will only become more poor, which leads to a wider gap in income. But what about in Atomy? Our products will be up to par in both price and quality with such platform businesses. Now, on top of that, the company gives back 35% of its sales. That way, everyone will be able to benefit continuously. That is why I believe Atomy is a company of great value, because it can offer an alternative solution to the biggest problem of unequal income distribution, which is a result of the imbalance of wealth. I am saying that we can become a company that can survive for 100 years and exceed $100 billion in sales. I hope all of you can have confidence and strength to share this truth with a lot of people. And believe me, next time, I will be showing all of you a much more realistic and exciting video. A world will come where 3D, virtual reality, and extended reality will be at your fingertips.